To a complete stop, please lift up on your safety restraint and exit carefully to your right down the ramp, taking all personal belongings left in the bins. Thank you for riding Pantheon, and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Boarding guests, step carefully into the seats. And onto your left. If you're not riding at this time, please take a seat.
Anyone for row 4 at this time, row 4 is available. For anyone that would like to take row 4. Row 4 is taken. If you are not riding, please step back. The gates are now closing.
During your ride, remain seated, keeping your hands on the lap bar with your arms and legs. Harness the speed and strength of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Let's go! Here we go! Front row ride. Woo! That's what we're for, front. I know. Outer bank! Oh. Outer bank! Whee! Bye. Oh, God! Catches me off guard every time. Like, you know what's going to happen. Whoa! Oh, my God. Oh, nice view. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Oh, that's nice. So much speed right here, holy cow. Whoa! Oh, that is really fun. They're riding some tires.
Of 5 Roman gods as you conquer Pantheon. As you conquer Pantheon.
Yeah. Hey, guess what, guys? It's my first ride on Pantheon. Just kidding. Here we go. Oh my God. That's great. Yeah. that's awesome.
That was really good.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That was better than I was expecting.
Whew. That's Pantheon at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg.
That is Pantheon.
That is not Velocicoaster. That's Pantheon.